Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Spinach is one kind of vegetable that contains many nutrients. And imagine if you grow a spinach chemical free. It will be the best. Believe me, you can grow this even if you are a beginner. You can easily grow this in small space with other veggies. Like we have a vegetable bed where we grow lots of vegetables with spinach like carrots, radish, onions, etc. So now let us show you how you can grow the spinach. This is the third time this season we are growing spinach from seeds. As we also have less space, we are going to show you how we grow spinach with other vegetables as well. First, you have to soak these seeds for 24 hours. As you can see, in this pot my mom has already planted garlic, but in this pot only we planted a few spinach seeds. And this is a pot containing tomato plants. Like we also planted in brinjal plants pot and also in drumstick plants pot. Like this only we planted some seeds in methi plant pot, bethua plants pot, onion plants pot, lettuce plants pot and some in vegetable bed as well. And if you want to grow spinach in a separate pot, make sure to plant it in 50% soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. In the pots where my mom planted seeds, she covered with one more layer of soil to cover up the seeds. And as you know, after planting any seeds, we must always water it. So my mom is thoroughly watering. Within 7 days, these seeds will germinate into a new plant. As it is winter, we must keep the plant's soil moist but do not overwater, as overwatering can cause root rot. Within 4 to 7 weeks, we can harvest it. Now what fertilizer should we give for our plants to grow healthy? For this, simply soak vegetable and fruits peel with rice water. Then keep it in shade for 7 days. After that, simply strain it and add some water and dilute it. Nothing else is needed for this plant. And as this is a leafy plant, if you wish, you can also give tea leaf compost. If you wish, you can just cut the leaves or take the full plant out. So what are you waiting for? If you also have some amount of space, you can easily grow this spinach plant. And do you know, if you grow this in an organic way, you will also not get any kind of insect attack. And if you wish, you can also spray Bioenzymes sometimes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.